Happy Monday to all you tactical moms and dads out there and non-parents. Welcome back to the episode of the Tactical Everyday Dad. Today we got the Civivi Altus. Let's check it out. All right, you got your typical Civivi packaging. Again, it's the Altus. Serial number C20076-1. This one is the black G10 handle with the silver bead blasted Nitro V blade. Made in China, of course. Put away. You have your usual Civivi nylon pouch. It's always dirty, no matter which one I get. Two stickers, of course, the Elementum sticker and your Civivi, using carry manual, warranty information, cleaning cloth. Always comes in the wee Civivi branded. A little smaller than I thought actually it was going to be. For some reason I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger. It's a button lock, of course, manual opening. Overall length, 7.12 inches. Blade length, 3.05 inch. Blade steel, Nitro V, of course, drop point. And this is kind of a bead blasted satin finish. Thickness is 0.11. Handle length is 4.15 inches. Handle thickness is 0.5. G10 material, stainless steel liners. Again, it's a button lock. That was nice drop shutty. Good action. Deep carry pocket clip, of course, ambidextrous right or left, but tip up only. Overall weight of this guy is 3.1 ounce. Let's check out some everyday size comparisons. Everyday Sharpie and your everyday Bic pen. Your toy car. Your Ontario Rat 2 and your Ontario Rat 1. Spyderco Pair 3. Spyderco PM2. Benchmade Mini Bug Out and the Benchmade Full Size Bug Out. All right, let's check it out in the pocket. You got your everyday jeans. Wear a size large glove. Plenty of room in the pocket. You got your everyday golf shorts. Got your everyday athletic or basketball shorts. All right, let's put some everyday parent tasks. This is a one layer Amazon box, or your usual boxes. Not as sharp as the Civivis I've had. We still got the job done. Now I'll try a double layer Home Depot Lowe's box. Much better. I think because the one layer was a little bit flimsy and kind of moist. The temperature dropped down to, not dropped down, went up to about 50 degrees today, and then it's going right back down to what is it? Like the teens and stuff, because it's about to snow again. All right, 550 paracord. Lake effect for you. Yeah, it's actually not as sharp as it should be. the usual Civivi sharpness you get. Interesting. All right, your every different size zip ties. Let's check it out. I bet that was pretty quick and easy. All right. Everyday water or milk jug. Not too bad, not too bad. Now for the leather. Genuine leather belt. All right. Cut through that with ease, but having trouble with other things? That's weird. All right, let's put through the seatbelt test. At an MSRP around $72.25 from your favorite online knife dealer is the Civivi Altus, another home run made by Civivi, or just another attempt at a button lock that seems to be kind of overdone now. I do enjoy Civivi's button locks. This is actually pretty cool. I prefer the flipper though of the Cogent right here compared to a thumb stud. It's snappy. Great fidget, of course. The fidget factor in this is very strong with this one. For sure. Deep carry pocket clip. Love that Civivi always does that in all their knives. As you see, just a little tiny bit of G10 will stick up past that in your pocket, but no biggie. I would definitely take your finger off if you're not careful, for sure. Nitro V, I feel like it's hit and miss because if it's not sharpened properly, it doesn't quite, perform well. Don't get me wrong, I love Nitro V, but if the manufacturer doesn't sharpen it perfectly, which these are production knives, it's made by machines. It's gonna be, screwed up here or there, but I wasn't expecting the performance that I got from this guy doing the everyday tasks that I did. I've done many Civivis in the past, and then this one just didn't seem to hold up to their reputation for being sharp out of the box. And it seems like it's always the Nitro V ones too. So I don't know what's going on with that, but I do like this. Drop point, of course. Button lock is always cool. Love G10 as an everyday user handle. You don't have to worry about getting it damaged or anything. Aluminum scratches, titanium gets snail trails in it. Carbon fiber is still pretty sturdy, but you don't get the grippiness of G10. My card is cool, but I feel like my card can get worn, and that pisses me off. The patina, some folks like it. I don't. I like black G10 for everyday use. It's gonna be the same all day, every day, 365. So yeah, I will actually put this in the rotation and kind of check it out more. Maybe even kind of give it a nice strop to see if that helps kind of the edge a little bit better. But again, guys, always take all my videos as dad advice. Listen to it, however, use it to form your own conclusions. And if you want to use this and implement it into your EC setup or not, the choice is yours. Thank you guys again for watching. We'll see you in the next one.